Hello, welcome back to our channel, Halloween House. Today we are going to try a very interesting recipe.
We're going to try making stuffing for Thanksgiving with White Castle hamburgers. We've heard the rumors about it and we want to try it for ourselves. So we're going to test it out here a little bit early. We're going to do half the recipe just because we don't have a big family coming over today. But for Thanksgiving, if you are not going to have people over due to COVID or any other issues, you can always make the recipe smaller. It's very easy to change the size portions on it.
Yeah, and the full recipe feeds 10 to 12. We weren't going to do the full recipe. So, like the directions say, first you get your sliders and tear them up into a large mixing bowl. I don't know. They didn't really specify size. We're going about quarter size, I guess.
Figure bite size.
Yeah, bite size. No cheese, no pickle. And for the purpose of this video, we are using 6. So
all right.
That's about what 6 sliders all tore up look like.
So then we want to add our spices, and we have coarse ground pepper, thyme, and sage. And then we also have some chopped up fresh celery. We're going to add all of that to the bowl. Nice, easy recipe. And then we're going to mix it up.
And I'm still surprised that this recipe doesn't call for butter, because I've never made a dressing or stuffing, whatever you want to call it, without butter. But we're going to give it a try. Okay, and that's pretty well blended.
So once we have the mixing done, we want to put in some chicken broth. So hopefully that's what's going to stick all this together. Smells good.
It does smell good. It smells like the cross between stuffing and White Castles.
So for the recipe to cook it, you generally will just put it in a casserole dish and put it in the oven for 35 minutes. We're going to do 2 different things. We are going to do a casserole dish in the oven, but we are also going to take some mushroom caps that I have brushed with some spices and garlic and olive oil. We're going to scoop a little bit into those caps just for a little tasty treat. And then we'll put the rest into the dish. So we're going to get 2 different things to try when all this is done.
Looks good.
All right.
Okay. I'm making a mess and she's giving me the stink eye. I know she is. I know she is.
All right, so we have 2 casserole pans ready to go. And we are going to take these delicious looking casserole pans over to the oven, and we'll be back in 35 minutes.
We'll see you soon. Hello, we're back with our freshly cooked food.
It smells wonderful.
Does smell really good. So, I'm going to try a mushroom first. How about you try the stuffing?
Okay.
We'll see how that goes.
That is some hot stuffing. Okay.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
The mushrooms are really good.
So the mushrooms cooked in about 20 minutes.
I'm going to try some of this now.
Yeah, that's very good stuffing. It's got a nice little zip to it. I'm going to get a mushroom.
Does it taste like White Castle to you?
A little bit. It's definitely not for the vegetarian guests, unfortunately.
Or vegan. The celery cooked up nice. I thought it would be too short of a cooking time. It's not. The celery's nice and soft, but still a little bit of a crisp.
I think it's definitely a winner. I like it.
It tastes like stuffing. I like it.
Mm-hmm. I'd make it again, and it was nice and easy to make too.
Really easy to make. And it's not overly White Castle-y. I just invented a word. Overly White Castle-y. I'll give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're looking to make something different this year, definitely give this recipe a shot and see what you think. Let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Also, if you have ideas like putting it in mushrooms or other uses, that would be interesting to hear as well. So,
or if you have any unusual recipes you want us to try out for you, you don't want to do it yourself, you want us to be the guinea pigs, we'll do it. Comment below. Subscribe to our channel.
stay
Thank you.
spooky.
Take care.